Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Cuisinart 12-cup coffee maker. The coffee maker comes in 4 parts. The coffee maker itself, the pot, the coffee grind holder, and the reusable filter. So you're gonna put all of your coffee in the reusable filter, which goes into the coffee grind holder. Coffee grind holder goes in the top. Reusable filter goes above that. Your ground coffee goes inside the filter. And then you take your coffee pot, which I've already taken the liberty of filling, and you fill your reservoir. Once you're done filling your reservoir, you take your coffee pot and put it underneath here. Close the lid and you push brew. And that, my friends, is how you make an amazing cup of coffee with the Cuisinart 12-cup coffee maker. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.